Hello kids! Today, we'll learn about land vehicles, hear their real sounds, and play a fun game. If you're ready, let's go! This is a car. Car. This is the car sound. This is a truck. This is the truck sound. This is a fire truck. Firefighters use it to put out fires. This is a tractor. Tractor. Farmers use it while working. This is a police car. Police car. Police use it to catch criminals. It has a siren. This is an ambulance. Ambulance uses a siren when taking patients to the hospital. This is a bus. Bus. Bus carries passengers. This is a scooter. Scooter. This is a bicycle. This is the bicycle bell. This is a motorcycle. This is the motorcycle sound. This is a garbage truck. It collects garbage. This is a Jeep. Jeep. This is the Jeep sound. This is a train. Train moves on rails. This is the train sound. This is a lorry. Lorry carries heavy loads. This is an airplane. Big and strong. It flies high across the sky, carrying people all over the world. This is a helicopter. It goes up and down with spinning blades. Perfect for quick travel and rescue missions. Wow, a hot air balloon. It floats gently in the air using warm air. It's like flying in a colorful bubble. Here's a small propeller plane. It makes a buzzing sound and is great for short trips or training new pilots. Jet plane, super fast. With powerful engines, it zooms through the sky at incredible speed. This is a drone. It's small, flies with a remote, and helps take videos from the sky. This is a seaplane. It can land and take off on water. Isn't that amazing? Look at the fighter jet. Sleek and powerful. It's used by the military to keep the sky safe. This is a cargo ship. These giant ships carry containers across the world. This is a fishing boat. Fishermen use these to catch delicious fish. This is a cruise ship. These floating hotels are full of fun and adventure. This is a submarine. They dive deep into the sea to explore underwater mysteries. This is a sailboat. It moves with the wind using its big sails. This is a jet ski. Fast and fun, perfect for beach adventures. This is a ferry. It carries people and cars across the water. This is a speedboat. It's super fast and fun to ride on the waves.